Okay, so welcome to the part two of the integrated project tagged Transforming the Data. So in the part one, we look at understanding the data and we look at the different features and definitions of the data set. Now we are looking at um, how these features are represented in the data set. So before you go on, go to the top of your slide and then you have additional, download additional files. Click on it. When you click, it should be downloaded into your local computer. Go to your downloads and you will see this particular folder, integrated project transforming the data, blah, blah, blah. Now, this is a zipped folder which you cannot easily import files from. So you may have to extract the files from the zip folder. So I will right click on my mouse or mouse pad, and then there is option to either open or extract. If you look at all the options over here, I would like to use the extract. But if you don't see the extract, you can open and then copy the files you see into a different folder of your choice. So let's go. Now this is it. Now it's telling me where it's going to put the data that will be extracted. I'm not too sure that I want to put it there, so I will browse and then choose where I want it to be. I'll select download again. I'll go to my ALS data program folder I have created, put in a new folder which I'll call integrated project part 2. Okay, so I have it. Now I'll select it, select folder, and then I come to extract, and there it is. It is done. So I can now close it, knowing very well. You can see here that I have integrated project part 2, which contains the folder that I'm going to be working with. Yes, we have them here. Okay, so now I can minimize this. Now let me go back to the slides. So what are we looking at? We are asked to import this particular file, like I said earlier, estimate on the use of water 2000 to 2020. So let's go and do that. But before then, if you don't want to import the file directly from your local computer or you want to have access to it anywhere you are working, then you can put it in your Google Drive. So this is my Google Drive. I want to bring this new uh, folder. So I go to the new and then I come to folder upload. Now it takes me into my local computer. So let me be sure that I go to download. Inside my ALX data program I have integrated. So this is what I want. You can either double click or click and then upload. Yes, I want to upload this file. Okay, so where is it? Um, integrated project part 2. I have it here. So now I have my folder where I want it to be. So I'll quickly go to my Google Sheet, or from your uh, Google Drive, you can just click on the plus and then you have Google Sheet here. You click on it and it opens a new one. So I get into this. I come to my new sheet and then I go to file. I go to file. I go to import and then I look for integrated projects part 2. Where is it? Integrated project part 2. Do I have yes? And then I'll choose current sheet, import, and there it is.